So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Probably will be shooting some of the major consequences that have been happened in the last 2-3 days. Uh, I feel we are the only generation who have seen a lot of things. I would not say good things, but a couple of geopolitical shifts that every geopolitical person want to look at in his life. So if I talk about myself, of course we have seen a pandemic, we have seen Middle East crisis that was going on, but this is the major shift we are seeing a regime change. So last time when I can recall a regime change in Iran, that was during the time of Khamenei. And right now also there is a lot of news coming, and the Iran government has also confirmed that Khamenei is dead. It's not there. His family is also not alive. So these were the major shifts that we have seen during the past 2-3 years. If you talk about geopolitics, so if I talk about, there's a little change we have seen in 10 years in a geopolitical area, but in the past 3 years we have seen everything. As my point of view, I feel like Trump is doing all these things because he want that history would remember him as a leader who can do anything possible, and he's doing it all for his profits. He's not even taking government into the consideration, he's not taking US citizen into a consideration, something like that. And major, if I talk about what our government is doing, of course not a big fan of our government, always there to criticize when it comes to the policies and everything, but a huge fan of their diplomacy. You have seen us, we are a non-ally country. We do not have one side. We never picked Russia, we never picked the US completely. We have seen our own interest first. So not a big fan of all the policies that the Modi government is doing, but of course a big fan when it comes to their diplomacy. There is fights going on everywhere, but we are not part of all the countries, those who are involved in the fights. So of course, big fan of that. And even if you have seen, if I talk about Israel and our relations, they have waited for Modi ji to come back to India, then they put all their missiles and all the things into consideration. We should consider that as well. Never any of the political country is doing that. So just my thought on that regime change, of course, there's a positive and negative side of it. The first positive side, of course, the Iranian people are also looking for that regime change after the Khamenei's very strong Islamic point of view. He has taken all the rights from the women and put all the things into the traditional world, not I would say the modern. Because if I talk about the last regime change, it happened because of the lot of rights given to women, etc., and because of that they're not growing. So Khamenei came into the picture and he put all the things into the traditional sentiments. Because of that, people are so happy right now. First thing is. Second thing, there should, as my point of view on that, I have a mixed of opinion right now. Iran is taking a major shift in the politics as well. Now they will put US again, will put one person, one pro US president again, and then we will see Iran will be in a major shift in last 20 years. So I can see, if I talk about the rights and etc., they would go back again in the position where they were from मतलब in the last if I would say 1960s 1917, they were the very modern country. I can see right now also they will go back again to that era. So this is the unfiltered opinion about the Israel and the Iran war. In the second segment, I would cover what happened, why there is a war between Iran and Israel, and if I want to add about it, so I really like what Israel is doing. I think as a diplomacy, we should be very clear what we want. And Israel, from day one, from US, from day one, they are very clear what they want, and they have acted on that. If I would talk about Donald Trump, of course, he's a flipper. when it comes to do a major shifts. But right now also he's doing it because we all know the reason, because the midterm is coming, and his ratings are also continuously falling. So Donald Trump is all of himself. He just do whatever can take him, whatever can make him relevant. So this is all about my predictions for US is Israel and Iran war. So see you guys in the next vlog.